Ever been outside and suddenly needed a knife for something you didn't expect? You know the feeling, a loose rope, a stubborn box, an emergency fix. One good pocket knife and everything changes. You stop asking if you need one, and start wondering how you ever lived without it. But here's the truth. Most pocket knives out there are disappointing. They feel cheap. They go dull fast, or they become uncomfortable the second you actually use them. So today I'm breaking down the top 5 best pocket knives you can buy right now. From super lightweight daily carries to serious outdoor performers, and trust me, number 1 might just be the perfect everyday knife. All the links are in the description. Let's jump in. Starting at number 5, the CIVIVI Elementum. This knife just feels right. Clean lines, minimalist design, and a blade that comes out of the box razor sharp. The deployment is smooth. The handle sits perfectly in your hand. No hot spots, no weird pressure. It's light enough to forget it's in your pocket, but tough enough to handle real daily work. For the price, the action feels way more premium than it should. Once you start flipping it, it's honestly addictive. If you want a fantastic everyday carry that punches way above its price, the Elementum is hard to beat. Number 4, the Benchmade Bugout. This thing is ridiculously light. Most people pick it up and immediately pat their pocket because they can't believe it's still there. But don't let the weight fool you. The Bugout is no toy. It holds an edge extremely well, deploys fast, and the slim profile disappears in your pocket. Whether you're hiking, traveling, camping, or just handling daily tasks, it never feels bulky. The axis lock is buttery smooth and rock solid. If you want premium performance in an ultralight package, the Bugout is legendary for a reason. Number 3, the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Now we're in knife legend territory. The Paramilitary 2 is one of the most respected folding knives ever made. And after using it, you'll understand exactly why. The blade geometry is excellent. The ergonomics are dialed in for long use. And the build quality feels bomb-proof. Even during tougher jobs, the grip stays secure and comfortable. No hand fatigue. The compression lock is incredibly smooth and confidence-inspiring. If you want a proven high-performance knife that serious users trust, the PM2 is still one of the best. At number 2, the CRKT Drifter. This knife proves you don't need to drop big money to get something dependable. Simple. Compact, extremely practical. The Drifter isn't flashy, and that's exactly why it works. It just does the job. The blade handles everyday cutting tasks way better than expected for the price. The textured handle gives you a solid grip, even when things get a little messy. It's the kind of knife you can carry every single day without worrying about it. Perfect for budget-conscious people who still want reliability. But the number 1 spot goes to the Benchmade Mini Griptilian. This knife feels like the complete package. It's got great blade steel, comfortable ergonomics for different hand sizes, and a strong, smooth axis lock. The handle feels secure. The blade shape is versatile for everything. Boxes, packages, food prep, outdoor tasks. What really makes the Mini Griptilian special is how well it lives in your pocket long term. Some knives feel exciting at first but get annoying after a few weeks. This one doesn't. It stays comfortable, practical, and ready every single day. So tell me in the comments, which one would you actually carry every day? The ultralight Bugout? The legendary Paramilitary 2? Or the all-rounder Mini Griptilian? Drop your pick below. All the current prices and links are waiting in the description. If you want more honest everyday carry and outdoor gear reviews, make sure to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.